Scientists, this is how you do your test corrections. So you're going to go to your Canvas homepage and you're going to slide it down to where you see our old unit. This example is about state changes, but these test corrections work for any of our tests. You can see that you have your old test, which you're going to need, and then the test retake. So when you click on the test retake, it is going to tell you to open your test in Canvas, get a split screen, open the doc. For every wrong answer, duplicate slide 3 and fill out, and then you need to share it and email it with your teachers. So I want you to pause and go ahead and open up this file. All right, so that file looks like this. Now, we also need to go to your test in Canvas and have a split screen. So I am going to drag this tab separate. This is how I do it on a computer. You're on a Chromebook, which is a little different. And then I'm going to take my tab that has my home page on it. I'm going to slide it over so that I can see both the test corrections and I can see my test once I get there. So I go down, here's my test. You're going to have something that says view results. I haven't taken it yet, so I don't see that. So you're going to click view results. Then what you're going to do is question number 1. If you got that wrong, we need to fix that on your test corrections. So here's an example of how we're going to do that. We're going to write down the question number. For my case, it would be question number 1. We are going to copy and paste the question over. What question do we choose that was wrong? Which question is correct? And then why? And slide 3 is what you need to duplicate for as many incorrect answers. So let's say I got 3 wrong answers. I'll click over here and I make sure slide 3 is highlighted. I make sure I don't have a cursor anywhere. I just click on slide 3 off on the side. I go up to edit and I go to duplicate and it shows up. I go to edit and I go to duplicate and now I have 3 blank ones. So I'm going to type in that I got question number 1 wrong and I need to retype my question. So I delete that and over on my test I'm going to highlight and you do the 2-finger click or Control-C to copy. Over on your test corrections you do the 2-finger click paste or it's Control-V. And now I see that my question is here. Then I need to choose my wrong answer. Let's say I chose solid for this one, and I know it's not a solid. So then I would type in or copy and paste. I chose solid, and that was wrong. So now I need to figure out what is correct. And I know now that the correct answer is liquid. I know that because I've used my resources, or that was the other one I was thinking about. And now I know that a liquid is correct because the particles are touching the side. Sometimes the reason why it's correct is the definition. Sometimes it's the example that it's used. And that is how you do that for each and every question. So back in your test, you go down. Maybe the next one I got wrong was this one. Which states of matter have an indefinite shape? I copy that. I go to my next one. This is question number 5. So I retype my question. And maybe I only picked liquid. So if I just said I chose liquid, but I really know the answer is both a liquid and a gas. And I know that they are correct because their particles can move around. I find the last question I got wrong. I fill out my last one. And when I am done, here is the really important thing, students. We are not going to post this or submit this in Canvas because your teachers don't check it. Instead, you click on this share button and you're going to type in, maybe you're going to type in Adam Heisman. Maybe you're going to type in my name, Erin Griffin Boyle. Maybe you're also going to type in Ms. Batty's name, which is Deneva Batty. You need to share it with whoever you have for science and click share. If you are wondering how you find the answers to these because you didn't know them the first time and you're still not entirely sure, back where we got our test to begin with, All of your resources that you need are listed, and you should still have access to these as long as you haven't submitted them. So if you need your slideshow for vocabulary, your notes on any of these, or your review Jamboard, they're all there for you. And as our units change, these resources will also change, but they'll be the resources you need for your test. All right, students, I hope that helps. As always, chat or email your teachers. Have fun.